to unlock, you know.
That took a while to unlock, man. What do you have, like 20 locks?
Oh, so what emoji?
Well, man, I was wondering, would you like to buy a Pokeball?
Here!
Did you get in a biscuit?
Yeah!
Whoa.
So there's like biscuits and chicken in them. A live chicken!
So they're like healthy?
Yeah! I would like to see these though.
Wait, no, put on this blindfold.
Yeah! Oh, rifle?
I dare you to put on this blindfold.
Okay! No, this is a COVID mask. Like,
Well, budget has run tight lately, man. I'm sorry.
left or right?
Keep in the video.
Stop. I got blindfolded you more.
Okay, blindfolded person, pick one. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, Ultra Ball.
Whoa. I'm gonna get him the one he doesn't want.
Guys, okay, Auntie, right there. Ouch. You're right here. Why did you even turn me off?
Hey, you there. Look at this. Whoa. Whoa.
I can't see anything. Hey! He swore!
Whoa.
Okay, this one's a Ultra Ball, so I don't want that one. This one, probably a Pokeball, but I don't want that one. Probably not a Premier Ball. Where's the Premier Ball?
Oh. Sorry, I have to block the cats
I
there.
think I might do this one.
He got what he didn't want. An Ultra Ball. Guys, don't escape into the great unknown. We'll never find you again. I need my money. Where's my money?
Nowhere. I just bank robbed you.
But my
Shut the door!
My Chick-fil-A.
Shut the door! Chick-fil-A!
Okay,
gonna have
look
really
at the bottom.
short
What
hair,
number
jungle
do you
balls,
see,
guys.
Yankee? What number do you see? Because I see an H19.
I see H19.
And I'm a mind reader. Jake was H20.
H19.
I thought you had an H20. That's a mind
Wait, is
reader.
that H17? Oh, no. He has an B20.
B20? Whoa.
Brand new letter. Are they doing the alphabet? A, B, H, D, C, K, D, Y, S, Z. Well, I'm really good at the alphabet.
Yeah. I'd give you 20 stars if I was in your class.
Shush! If you were my teacher, would you give me a good grade?
I'd give you a straight A. So I'm opening a luxurious Ultra Ball. Well, my other guys are AFK at the moment, but hey, that's okay.
Dad, where is it?
So here's an Ultra Ball. Let's open it. Whoa!
Evolution Lost Thunder.
Wait, what?
Burning Shadows.
Sun and Moon Lost Thunder. Well, I don't have that Sun and Moon Lost Thunder anymore, guys, but we have Evolutions and Sun and Moon Burning Shadows.
In the cardio.
And a Lucario coin. Wow.
Guys, I think there's ghosts here. So it's keep on stopping. It's weird.
A ghost keeps clicking the camera button. It's pretty scary.
And there's a new Ghostbusters movie coming out.
Jasper,
I saw it on the trailer.
Reverse Hollow Aegis Slash, and Eradicate.
A rat. That's a rare. It's Eradicate. It's a rat. That's a rare. It's
You
Eradicate.
almost just clicked it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna make it look okay. You know, if I was, man, it's quite a bummer that the caped guy didn't make you have the H20 and him have the H19. You know, cause you scammed the caped man that gave you the Pokeballs, man. Can you believe that? You never gave him the chicken and a biscuit. How could you do such a thing?
Trainer,
He
Trumpy,
was weird.
Corsola,
He had weird.
Moral, Skarmoria, Caterpie, Sandigat,
Religa.
really cool. Reverse Hollow Gold Duck and a Gold Duck Layla Rare.
Wait. No, please. No.
Fates.
The Rug and Rolla. It's called Roly Poly. I thought it was called Rug and Rolla. Mind blown. Third pack. Singing? Oh no, Alex is thinking about tipping over all the Pokeballs again. He's thinking about it. Oh, now he's thinking about walking towards us. Now he's thinking about looking at
It's
us.
gonna be like boots and cats when it's falling.
Whoa, and he jumps.
Trainer, Jigglypuff, Fennekin, Snubble, Seal, Bronzor, Reverse Hollow Stuffle, and a
Oh,
Lucario.
Lucario. So guys,
Brand new.
I'm gonna be opening a Evolutions pack, a Sun Moon Boomerang Shadows, and a Lost Thunder. I'm gonna open Lost Thunder first.
Heads or tails?
But does it say when it was made? Like,
2019,
somewhere?
2018.
Heads or tails?
Oh, it's 18.
Hey, camera lady, heads or
wait,
tails?
do they still make these? Or, I mean, oh, they still make these, right?
Heads or tails? Heads or tails?
Pretty good smile, man.
Heads or tails?
Tails. I'll do
Heads or
tails.
tails? Okay.
Tails.
Heads.
Tails.
Tails, I was right.
Good job. Now, can you shake your butt? Because that's your tailbone.
You're
That was difficult.
Trick of the white and green code card.
Here's a
There's
code.
the sparkle. It's white and green.
Sure.
That looks very white
It's
and
white
green.
and green, sir. It is white and green.
What?
You never know. So every single one has white and green. See, the cards have white on them. See, the Pokeball has white on them. The green
So
on
we
the
have
outside.
a Fairy
See,
Energy. Whoa,
white.
whoa, oh, don't worry.
They're always white and green, guys.
We have a Carbling. We have a Shiinotic.
We have a
Fairy
Pokemon.
Charm.
Just saying.
A Shiinotic.
A Shintokic?
There's not even a, oh, there's a Shitotic.
Bro, look
Yeah,
at those
it's
ears. They
not.
look like feet.
I
See?
think it should not.
Trainer, Fairy Charm. Pipek.
Bro, those ears look like feet. They
Slugma.
could run a whole
Slugma
entire
balls.
marathon. Look at those.
Chico.
What did he say?
You don't want to know.
You guys
Litleo.
just see it while you're editing.
I know, man. Yeah, Mask. Reverse Hall Electivire. And Umbreon. I mean, if the camera did pick up on what Jago said, there's gonna need to be a loud bleeping sound, okay? We can't hear Anki's cute Altaria.
I hope
Jago
Anki
sound.
gets it. I hope Anki gets pulls the Slugma.
Okay, Evolutions next.
Oh, there's no Slugma on this.
Oh, Evolution's last.
Evolution's got you. I would have kept that shield and sell for $30 on Amazon.
Is it always waiting green?
Scalper! It's a scalper! Go.
Is it like
That really went, whoa, sorry, it's 3.
No, it's 4.
That really,
It's 4.
no, it's not.
Yes, it is. This is when they turned it into 4.
Metapod, Trainer Switch, Koffing,
New
Magnemite.
coronavirus.
Seal, Charmander,
Charmeleon.
Diglett,
Slow.
Drowsy, Reverse Hall
Not slow.
Broxkin, and
What if that was a
Electrode.
Charizard? You did not go slow.
I went so fast.
No, the Brock script. Okay, they didn't know we are. It's Brock script, but it's not like it was a full art Brock script. That's a pretty cool card. If only if I had you tell me to open it.
And then on Tails.
Not heads. I need someone to guess slow.
Hey, you guys should follow us on TikTok. He has a TikTok
Yeah,
account.
we have 4 followers, guys.
No, not 4.
It's
I
really
thought
good.
wait, how many do we have on TikTok?
Probably like 9. I have 1,500.
We have short clips of random packs that we
Oh,
opened.
I actually just freaked out Chloe when I threw that code at her. Sorry, Chloe. Are you okay?
Chloe's devastated.
Chloe was cleaning herself off and now she's like, oh my goodness.
Cute. Cute kitty cat.
Chloe's expanding her knowledge. She's looking at those 4 ginormous books.
They all have over 1,000.
So you know the
Pages.
over 1,000 pages. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. So you know the person who made what's his name? Person like creator
JoJo Siwa.
Fortnite guy. That creator Fortnite
Tom
guy.
Jefferson.
He recommended that book
Abraham
series.
Lincoln?
So you know what a smart person did? They go and buy all the books that is in that series.
Abraham Lincoln?
We have a Psychic Energy,
Bottle what? I
Bubble Fant, Electrike,
Your fans,
Simsage.
not Bubble Fan. Bubble Fan.
Sneasel, Venipede,
Sneasel. Achoo.
Horsehair.
Oh.
Cutie Fly, Ladybug, Reverse Hall Venipede, and a Toxic
Toxic
Road.
You guys know that Target was doing Pokemon. They're doing Pokemon again. Probably because Walmart
Over
is.
Lost Thunder second.
They wanna be better.
And a Walmart. There we go.
Oh, dude, we've gotten 3, 6, 7. We've gotten 7 green code cards in a row.
Whoa, yeah.
Hey, so I picked this one.
It's no longer perfect.
I think I might have got the best pulls, honestly.
Fire
This
Energy?
got reverse rare. They only have 1 reverse rare.
I'm kind of
Trainer.
jealous though of your
I'm kind of jealous of my
New
coin.
coin.
Yeah, bro, imagine not having this cool
I want
coin.
one
Bro.
coin.
Royhan.
I only have a Licata.
Panchor.
Mew.
Pansage. Oh my god, they're twins.
Yo, did you get him a cargo? And not a cargo, Slugma.
Slugma.
Sock.
Ooh, Electric.
Electric.
Sorry.
I think Lost Thunder has Slugma.
And
Anki better pull Slugma.
I don't want a Slugma.
You're gonna regret
You're gonna say
pulling it, aren't you?
Slugma.
Is it green? Whoa.
Oh shit, I would have hit Chloe.
Chloe wasn't over there anymore. Chloe moved.
Yeah, I know that.
Whoa, Anki.
I think I saw Slugma. Energy. Bulbasaur. Lampet. Grova.
You ran a spot.
Cyndaquil.
We never.
Shut up.
We never made a
Popilo.
thumbnail.
What? Populo?
Combi.
Poppy?
Blitzel. It's a Combi.
Combi.
Slowpoke. Oh my gosh, I could draw that good. Whoever drawed this, good job. You're even better than me.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait. Who pants?
Power.
Whoa.
Yo, if my other times on hedge, you throw me open your evolutions.
Deal.
Hey, yo. Dude, my coin's 40 times better than yours.
Ow.
Anki landed on
Anki, still in our heads, Anki.
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 Sorry, man.
Where did you hit? Oh, it's there.
Did you just hit that balloon, man? You just hit that balloon. Dude, that balloon is offended by that.
Another green code card. We've got 9 green code cards in a row.
Guys, this is how it feels to get 9 green cards in a row.
We've got 9 green code cards in a row.
Trainer. Onyx. Energy. Voltorb. Tangela. Poliwag. Electabuzz. And Beedrill.
If you guys are still here, go in the comments and say Beedrill.
Subscribe and we'll see you
The next
Next one.
later. Not next one. Unless you have a time limit and you have to get off right now.
In the next one.
Okay, so Strix Lost Thunder had Slug.